In round 12, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 32 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 32 single crochets. We have demonstrated 5 single crochets. Please finish the rest 27 single crochets by yourself. 32 single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 12 is done. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 14 single crochets, 1 decrease twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 14 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 30 more single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease, which is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Work 14 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Please finish 1 more set by yourself. 2 sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 13 is done. In round 14, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 30 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 30 single crochets. Please finish the rest 25 single crochets by yourself. 30 single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 14 is done. In round 15, start with 1 chain stitch. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Then work set of 6 single crochets, 1 decrease, 6 single crochets twice. The first set. work 6 crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 6 crochets. One set is done. The second set, work 6 crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 6 crochets. Next, work 1 single crochet. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 15 is done. Now we need to change the yarn. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Put the hook back into the loop and tighten the loop. Pinch the yarn tail and the fabric together in this way. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through the loop and the hook. The yarn change is done. 1 chain stitch is done. Pull the coffee yarn tight. Then work set of 5 single crochets 1 decrease for 4 times. The first set, work 5 single crochets. Put the yarn tails above the hook during crocheting. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 4 more single crochets. Break the coffee yarn. Hide the yarn tail inside the fabric. Then work 1 decrease. The second set, work 5 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Please finish the rest 2 sets by yourself. Work 5 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. 4 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 16 is done. In round 17, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set, work 2 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. The second set, work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets in turn. Please finish the rest 2 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. 4 sets are done. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 17 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Take out some fabric fill. Tear the fabric fill to make it fluffy. And then stuff the fabric with fabric fill. This should be what it looks like when it's done. For the yellow duck, we don't need to change yarn in the whole process. This is a yellow duck made with the corresponding yarn in the kit.